In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off work anniversary notifications on LinkedIn. Whether you're looking to maintain a little more privacy or simply want to keep your milestones to yourself, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, helping you to control how your activity is shared on this professional networking platform. First, you'll want to navigate to LinkedIn by typing linkedin.com into your web browser. Once the page loads, log in using your preferred method. You can sign in with Google or Microsoft or simply use your email address and password. If you're like many of us who take security seriously, you might have two-factor authentication enabled. In that case, LinkedIn will ask you to verify your account by entering a code sent to your phone. That's just a quick step to ensure that your account remains secure. Once you're successfully logged in, your next move is to locate your profile icon, often represented by your profile picture in a small circle at the top right corner of your screen. Click on this Me icon. A drop down menu will appear, and from there select Settings and Privacy. This will bring up a new page with various options and settings related to your LinkedIn account. On the Settings and Privacy page, look towards the left hand side where you'll find a menu. From this menu, choose Visibility. This section controls who can see various aspects of your activity and profile on LinkedIn. Now, scroll down the page until you locate the section labeled Visibility of your LinkedIn activity. This part of the settings menu is key to customizing what others see about your interactions on the platform. Here, you ought to find an option titled Share Job Changes, Education Changes, and Work Anniversaries from Profile. Next to this, you'll notice a toggle switch that allows you to manage what gets shared with your connections. To stop broadcasting your work anniversaries, simply click on the toggle. You'll want to switch it to off. By doing this, your profile changes, including those work anniversary updates, will no longer be visible to others in your network unless you specifically choose to share them. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully adjusted your LinkedIn settings to keep your professional milestones to yourself. Remember, LinkedIn is a tool for networking, but you have full control over how and when you share aspects of your professional life. Adjusting these settings is a great way to snugly fit LinkedIn into your personal style and comfort level. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you take another step towards curating your LinkedIn presence with confidence.